In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Etsy and Pinterest. By the end, you'll have your shop connected so you can share listings directly to Pinterest and reach more shoppers. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Etsy seller account and that you have a Pinterest account ready. Using a desktop browser makes this process clearer, and temporarily turning off pop-up blockers can help. Start by heading to Etsy's homepage. Open your browser and go to Etsy.com. Confirm that you're logged into the account that manages your shop. If you have multiple Etsy accounts, double-check that you're on the one tied to your storefront. You should see your profile and selling tools in the header once you're signed in. Next, open your Shop Manager. You'll find it at the top right of the site. Clicking Shop Manager takes you to your seller dashboard, where all your shop controls live. If you don't see it, you may not be logged in, or you might be viewing Etsy as a buyer. Switch to your seller view. From your dashboard, look for the Marketing section. It's typically in the left-hand navigation. This area is where Etsy centralizes tools for promoting your shop, running sales, and sharing your products across platforms. Inside Marketing, select Social Media. This is the hub for connecting your social accounts and creating shareable content straight from Etsy. It's designed to help you post listings, announcements, and updates without leaving your shop workflow. On the social media page, locate the Settings or Gear icon. Click that to open your social connections and preferences. This is where you manage which platforms are linked and what permissions Etsy has to share content. Now, choose Pinterest and follow the prompts to connect your account. A Pinterest window may appear asking you to authorize the connection. Confirm the correct Pinterest account, grant the requested permissions, and if prompted, select or create a board where you'll pin your products. Some accounts may be asked to switch to or confirm a business profile, which is helpful for analytics. When authorization completes, you should see Pinterest marked as connected within Etsy. From there, you can share listings directly, often with options to customize the title, description, and link. If the authorization window doesn't appear, disable your pop-up blocker and try again. If the wrong Pinterest account shows up, log out of Pinterest in another tab and reconnect from Etsy. That's it. Your Etsy and Pinterest are now linked, making it easier to promote your products and track engagement in one smooth workflow.